I published a lot of AI generated videos to grow a YouTube channel from scratch, and this is what happened. So a couple of days ago, I produced a video called as how do you create viral motion graphics. So let me just show you here. So we created this video called how to create viral explainer videos with one prompt using Opus and Claude. So basically what I did, I went to Claude and I just asked, hey, give me like some, business case studies that people don't know about. So let's say, let me ask, give me some unknown stories of famous entrepreneurs. Alex Hormozy, Iman Gadzino, Sam. Sam Owens is pretty small. I won't go for him. So let's say we go. Oh, who's that? Sam Altman, Tim Cook, Steve Jobs, uh, CEO. So his name is John Turnus. Okay. So these could possibly go viral. Now, what it will do is it will create the Instagram scripts, and we'll just use those, right? So while this is happening, let me show you the results. So I uploaded a bunch of videos and we got about 10,000 views. Let me show you exactly the number of videos I uploaded. I'll go to shorts. I published 20 videos, all AI generated, and basically, you know, some of them did perform decently well, like a couple of thousand views. Some of them did not perform very well, just a couple of hundred views. But mostly stories about different entrepreneurs performed really, really well, right? So now, while this is happening, it created a script, right? So what I'll do is I'll copy the script. I'll go to Opus Agent. This is agent.opus.pro. Costs very cheap. Just check my videos. It's not much. And what you can do is you can pick a style that you want and say I want to create say I want to create let me check the most viral one, like let me see, views ke basis pe we got this one, Airbnb, which was a walk style sort of video. So there was a walks, this one, okay, and just paste your script and select an audio. I think I selected Emma, and I'll apply and hit enter. It'll copy the script here and you can edit the script, okay. um, just you know I just copy this whole thing properly, just remove, okay, and it costs about 80 credits. I'll just hit enter and let it just create the 80 credits, okay. I think I have about 140 credits remaining. That means I can do roughly 2 videos, okay. So let's do Sam Altman, Steve Jobs, let's create a little note fact about John Turnus. It could give us some good virality because he's trending right now. Is he really 51-year-old? Oh yeah. So copy this, come over here, and basically do the same thing. I did it like over and over again. Selected a particular style, pasted this, removed the timestamps. All right, and hit enter. It will cost us about 80 credits. Let's hit this and let's copy another one about Sam Altman. I don't know if this could work. I barely have 60 credits. Let's see if I can do that. I'll use blue box and I'll edit the script so that it fits. And hit enter. Okay. All right. So it's taking us 80 credits. So we'll edit this a little bit. I bet you didn't know this about Sam Altman. Did you know out of Stanford? I think this is good enough. 60 credits. We are right at the edge. And boom. Okay. Now it takes about 5 minutes to create each one of these, uh, you know, videos. So what I do is, once this is created, I go ahead and create the SEO description. So for that I use ChatGPT because I don't like to lose my credits. So copy the script and be like, give me a viral worthy YouTube title and description for this script, and just paste. You won't believe ChatGPT is pretty good at these kind of things. I know um, compared to Claude. I mean, for a lot of heavy tasks I use Claude, but for stuff like this, I use ChatGPT. Because boom, there you go. I got the description, the title options, everything for that particular video. Now all you have to do is wait until it gets generated. I'll just have to download or export from here and upload it on my channel. So that's exactly what I did. I uploaded about 20 videos so far, and in analytics you can see this is where I started sending. For the first few days it started publishing, and it's still getting some traction, but I doubt it will work. So I'll upload the latest 3 videos and see how this goes. All right. So this was the workflow, and I think this is an awesome thing that Opus has created to get any kind of videos. Next, I'm going to test if it works and gives us some AI kind of ads, right? UGC videos or motion graphic ad that we can possibly use. So anyways, if you are looking forward to seeing how this pans out, wait till I finish this and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.